Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit, a high-tech tool designed to lift, tone, and tighten the skin using microcurrent technology. If you're looking for a device that promises instant results for sculpting your face and neck, this one might just be the answer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The NuFACE Mini Plus is an FDA-cleared microcurrent device that delivers a gentle, low-level electrical current through your skin to stimulate facial muscles. This process is said to help contour and tighten the skin, providing both immediate and long-term results. It comes with the device itself, as well as a microcurrent gel activator and silk creme to complement your treatment. The gel's IonPlex technology is designed to hydrate and prepare the skin for optimal microcurrent absorption, while the silk creme promises to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours. So, what's it like in real life? The first thing you'll notice is how compact and portable the Mini Plus is. It's small enough to throw in your bag, making it easy to use on the go. I've incorporated this device into my skincare routine with quick 5-minute sessions, and I can say it's easy to use. The instructions are clear, and the device feels gentle against the skin. You simply glide it along the contours of your face and neck, and it's designed to deliver a little tingling sensation as the current works its magic. But how does it perform? After using the device consistently for a week, I did notice an immediate lifting effect, particularly around my jawline and cheekbones. My skin felt firmer, and the overall texture improved. The neck area, which often shows signs of sagging, also looked visibly tighter. I haven't used it for a long enough period to assess long-term results, but I can definitely see the potential for improvement. One thing to note is that the device operates with a gel activator, which is an essential part of the process. The gel itself feels hydrating, and the silk creme gives my skin a lovely smooth finish without any greasy residue. However, I did find that the gel can sometimes feel a little sticky as it dries, so be mindful of that during your treatment. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are clear. It's compact and portable, ideal for busy people who want quick treatments. The device is easy to use, even for beginners, and doesn't require a professional's touch to see results. The immediate skin tightening and lifting effects are noticeable, especially around the jaw and neck areas. The device is FDA-cleared, which is a big plus for those concerned with safety. On the flip side, the cons are worth considering. The gel, while effective, can be a bit sticky, and using it regularly could become a bit of a hassle for those who prefer minimalist routines. The price point is on the higher end, and while it provides results, the value for money might not be clear for everyone, especially for those who want more consistent long-term results that require a longer commitment to the device. For people with sensitive skin, there's a possibility of some mild irritation, so it's worth testing a small patch of skin first. When it comes to value for money, this is where things get a little subjective. At its price, it's definitely an investment, but for those looking for non-invasive skin tightening treatments at home, it could be worth it. Considering the professional level results it promises, you might find it more affordable than visiting a spa or clinic for similar treatments. In comparison to other microcurrent devices on the market, the NuFACE Mini Plus stands out for its ease of use and portability. Other devices may be bulkier or require more complicated setups, but the NuFACE offers a streamlined experience. However, some competitors might come at a lower price, so it's essential to weigh whether the extra investment aligns with your beauty goals. As for build quality, the NuFACE Mini Plus feels sturdy and well-designed. It's made to last, and since the device is portable, I appreciate that it's easy to clean and maintain. The included gel and silk creme are thoughtfully formulated to support the microcurrent process and offer some hydration, although you'll likely need to repurchase the gel after a few months, depending on how frequently you use the device. If you're looking for alternatives that offer similar benefits at a lower price point, there are other microcurrent devices out there. However, none offer the combination of portability, ease of use, and proven effectiveness that the NuFACE Mini Plus does. For those on a tighter budget, looking at more affordable brands might be an option, but you might sacrifice some of the quality or features. To sum it up, the NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit is a solid investment if you're serious about incorporating professional-level skin sculpting into your routine. It's especially effective for anyone looking for a non-invasive option to tighten the skin and improve contour. If you're not ready to commit to a higher price tag or prefer a more natural approach to skincare, you might want to explore other devices. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.